Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today and clicking on this video. This is my absolute favorite video to film. I love watching other people's dorm room tours. I love going back and watching my old ones, so I'm excited to share that with you today. If you're new here and don't already know, my name is Jessica. I'm a senior at the University of Texas at Austin, so hook 'em horns. I literally just finished my, my last classes like days ago. So I am moving out in the next couple weeks. I spent the whole morning like cleaning this for you. It's not perfect, but it's honestly probably the best it's gonna look. And as soon as I'm done with this, I'm literally gonna start packing my stuff to move. So I'm graduating. It's super weird, but I wanna share this with you. This is the coolest room I've ever lived in. Being a third year RA, they put me in a really nice room. So I'm excited to share it with you, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Subscribe if you want, and let me just show you the room. I wanted to give you a little overview. Just to the right is my front door, but then I have this living room section. I've got my my kitchen. I've got my fridge over there. It kind of is my kitchen. Then I have my bedding. I have my desk and printer, my TV. There's my closet. So this is the room, and I kind of want to walk you through it. This is what I call like the living room section of my room. I wanted a place where if my residents wanted to come over, or if my friends wanted to come over, we could have a space. So over behind this, on the wall behind me, there's a TV that was in this room, which is so nice. But I've had this butterfly chair forever. It's either Walmart or Target, I can't remember. Then I have a little kitchen area back there that I'll get to. I have this table from IKEA and the couch from IKEA. So I wanted a coffee table for this space, but what I was running into was it was so hard to find a table that was not like massive. So this is a TV console. It's very skinny. It's big enough for me to put my laptop on or put plates on and meals on, but not too big. I have this poof I've had for 4 years. It's from Target. I have this, I got a new rug this year. This one is Better Homes and Gardens. It's from Walmart. I also got a rug pad for it, which I would highly recommend because it just makes it softer. It makes it, maybe not softer, it makes it like more comfortable. There's an extra cushion to it. Here's my fridge that I got at Costco. I have these Sterilite drawers. So this really is my mini kitchen. I keep snacks within these, and yeah, one of our friends gave us that when she was moving, which I like it a lot. You'll notice I have kind of crazy artwork. With this room, I put things up that make me happy, so I love that. Love, like, all of these things just like make me really happy, and combining them, I feel like I could never find a way to do it quite right. So I made it kind of random on purpose and just wanted it to be fun. You got my lamp. You're able to turn off and on different individual lights. I actually really enjoy this setup. I wanted this to be like kind of a bigger picture in my room. And we found another green picture. My mom found this girl off at Hobby Lobby. And then I've had this mirror. I think I got this mirror in a set of 3 at Ross. Up at the very top, we've got my cowgirl hat. I love to wear it, but I haven't been wearing it as much recently, so I just put it up on the wall with a command strip, and it's just chilling up there. Got some pillows. If you've watched my room tours for more than just this one, if you've seen them in the past, you might recognize a lot of this. Low-key, this is just my combination of everything. I've had, for most of my years, I've had my room pink, but there was like a brief stint in there where it was blue, so I figured for this room, like, let's combine all of it. So I've got my little turquoise throw pillow blanket situation. This is where I keep my, okay, my coasters, obsessed, also Ross, but I have this little candy jar. These are my remotes. I keep them by my bed and by my couch because this is kind of the places where if either I'm here or I'm here and I'm watching TV. I switched up my pillows this year if you've watched them. This is my Squishmallow I got for Easter. I have become a Squishmallow girly, unfortunately, so comment below if you too are addicted to Squishmallows. Up here, you may recognize some of this art from before. I'll put up a little cowboy hat here too. I love little hats. I think they're so cute. This, I think these are like Ross, Amazon, Five Below. This is how I set up my bedding. Over in here in the back corner for my nightstand, this is a bookshelf that we got from Savers, and we painted it so it would be like a neutral color because it kind of goes well with my other colors. I keep all my nightstand junk in this little drawer, and then I have a bunch of books and Bibles and journals. I keep that all there. My phone gets to charge with this lamp from Walmart, so I'll give you an overview of the room from here. I'm trying not to make you dizzy, but there's my front door. Here's my hallway to the rest of the suite, my closet. So as I was mentioning, there's a TV. That's the TV. Here's my office area. Let me show you first. Let me show you the window. That's my view. Beautiful courtyard. So I have always loved the gorgeous windows in this building. I've had these curtains for literally the last 3 years, I think. They're from TJ Maxx. I think they are so sweet looking. I like them a lot. And I am a knickknack girl, so let me stop and show you all my little knickknacks. So over back there, I have that clock. I love it. And I have my gold squirrel. All of these, again, are mixtures from like Ross, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby. This, I believe, might be actually from Five Below. I love this verse in Esther, so I keep that there. It's just like a good reminder. I have this plant that I like. So many fake plants. I had real plants at one point, and I just decided it wasn't worth it to be like taking them back and forth between home and college. I got this little gnome at Easter, and I have just kept it ever since, and I think it looks really cute there. Also, there's my sound machine. Very important part of living in the dorm. I just turn on, I just like rain noises. And so every night I sleep with rain noises on the whole night. So coming over here to my desk, this is probably the cleanest it's been in months. I cleaned it just for you. So honestly, it becomes kind of a landing zone, but nothing fancy or different probably from your desk. It's got a bajillion pens, my washi tape, a journal, got little squirrel salt and pepper shakers. Actually, as I'm saying this out loud, this actually is probably very different from your desk. All the SD cards I need to clear. Little girl boss sign, of course. I have these bubbles my friend gave me. Graduation bubbles, I've been blowing them. Here's another little gnome I made. Oh, this is a pin for where I work at my school. It's not focusing, but I like it a lot, so I keep that here. It always falls up, it always falls over, so I have to like lean it on stuff. Up on my wall, what I have here is I have a little Valentine that one of my friends made me. I thought it was sweet. I love this section, y'all. This is my vision board, I guess from last year. I like to make them very aesthetic, so I mix pictures that inspire me and phrases that inspire me, like quotes. Got a little y'all, because you know we're always repping Texas. Here is a photo with my residents at Christmas time, which I love that. I love being an RA, like actually a lot. So there's my girlies, and then these are the girls that I work with, and there's 9 of us, and I just love them to pieces. So we made a little holiday card this year, and this is one of my favorite things. I think it's so cutie cute. Over here, I brought this table from home, and I put my printer on it. This whole TV setup situation actually came with the room. So I think I said I'm a knick-knack girly, just things that make me happy. I always keep my sunglasses here because I lose things like sunglasses really easily. And if I keep them on this table, I can always find them. So that's why they get to live here. So I've been kind of going all over the place, but I want to show you, I did mention this is a suite, so I want to show you the suite portion of it. My closet's here. I can like give you a peek. Just know that the entire floor of my closet is full of all my junk that I am getting rid of. I have way too much clothes here. I would not recommend being like me and keeping everything you own at your dorm. I think that's a little bit chaotic and stressful. So maybe don't bring everything you own to school, but I have a mirror here. For most of the year, I did not have a mirror. There was like a weirdly shaped mirror in here and I asked them to pull it, but I have this mirror now. And then there's this hallway. They put in a dresser for me, and so I also keep a bunch of clothes in here. Got my jewelry. This is the part where I just honestly have to say I got so lucky. I'm really grateful I got to like live in this space this year. So on the right, you'll notice I've got my little mask and jewelry holder with my unicorn above it. Here is my $20 Amazon clothing rack that I assembled recently, actually. I wanted to be able to plan my outfits because in my previous rooms, they had a hook on the wall where you could do that, but this one did not. So I have been using this also to hang my cap and gown, and I've been keeping some of my regular shirts on in the rotation on this rack. Here I got all my cords. I'm like, I cannot believe it. I'm wearing these, I'm walking, I got my stuff. Got an OV tote bag. Here's my favorite spot in the whole room. My little yellow shower. So here is the tub in the bottom. Because it was very yellow, I got this shower curtain to go with it. I have little gray rugs. Look at the tile, the little hexagons. I live in a really old building and I just find this very charming. I like the character. The bathtub is super deep, which is amazing because I love to sit and soak. So I do like baths there with bubble bath from Dr. Teal's, the kind that's like the relaxing kind. So that's my fave. And then I've got these cutie flowers. Over here you'll notice my laundry, my towels. Here's another angle of the clothing rack. I know it's not like the prettiest clothing rack, but I quite like it actually. Over here is a little bathroom caddy that one of my sweet friends was getting rid of, and instead of getting rid of it, she gave it to me. I keep like hair stuff, moisturizer. I keep random stuff on here mainly so that I keep the cabinet area clean. I'm not perfect at that, but today I cleaned it for you. And then I was running out of space in my dresser, so I keep my extra linens because I switch out between 2 different sheets, and then my towels. They're a little messy right now, but my towels live in there. Got my toilet, which I'm feeling very #blessed about, and my squatty potty. If y'all are not on that squatty potty train, you need to get with it. So then behind that and just beyond the shower is the cutest little built-in bookshelf. When I saw that this room was yellow, I went with kind of all the plants. I thought it was nice. And yeah, that's my setup. I don't really keep a lot on the bottom. I kind of put odds and ends there. I kind of move stuff out there too. And then I am able to store stuff there too below that, which is super nice. All of my like extras, I keep backup stuff here, and I also keep cleaning products there. So love that. Got my trash cans, not super exciting, but this is my vibe. So here is the shower curtain and the little overview. I'm a big fan. I keep it open quite a lot because I like to see the yellow tiles actually. This is my mirror. It's got a little medicine cabinet behind it. It's also got this nice little shelf where I keep all of my miniatures and all my main makeup that I reach for, the lipsticks, foundation. This side's a little bit more skincare-like. So I'll let you take a look at my medicine cabinet, but be warned, it's a little messy. So up top, I keep obviously the taller things. Got medicine type things on the bottom, and then in the middle is just makeup chaos. I promise it works, but it looks a little scary. I have this note. My mom visited one time and left this here when I wasn't paying attention, so it's been there for like 6 months and I love it. And then some of my little besties put a note for me up there, or they put a note like in my box, and so I've hung on to it. I just enjoy this space a lot. So I have all this room between here and there, which has really come in handy as an RA. Sometimes you just like have extra stuff, and I've like had a space to store it. So this is why I never want to leave. People ask me why I stayed in the dorm, and I'm like, would you want to move out? But yeah, this is my happy place. I'm so sad to like take it apart this week, but you know, it's the end of this season, so I'm ready to like do my thing and move out, but yeah. So I think I showed you like a little bit of everything. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. This is my home. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really glad you're here. If you have like video requests, send them my way. I don't know what to do with this channel now. In all honesty, I like didn't really feel like all that Jess this year. I have been like working a lot of jobs. I've been really immersed in college, and I've had an amazing year. I'd really love to share those things with you. So if you're interested in anything about like college, what life is gonna be like post-college for me, like anything, let me know. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.